Hi friends, it's Steven and I'm making lime jelly. Gotta be the easiest dessert to make. Start by putting our instant jelly powder into a container. I chose a measuring cup because I thought I'd maybe save myself some time. And adding 1 cup of boiling water. And stirring that up really well. A little awkward in my measuring cup. Maybe it wasn't the best idea. And now we add 1 cup of freezing cold water. And stir that again. Filling up the containers just by eye, so hopefully they're fairly even. And number 4 looks pretty good. And they go in the fridge for at least 3 hours to set. And now the all-important whipped cream. Now it has to be from a can because making it yourself from scratch is just not kitschy enough. And there we go. Lime jelly. Don't forget to like and subscribe.